Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Debasish Day Art Studio. Today I am going to make a very easy and colorful Rakhi using the paper. For making Rakhi we need some colorful chart paper, gum, colorful threads and toothpicks. Also we need some foam sheets, scissors, ruler and colorful beads and some Kundans. At first we have to cut some paper strips. Please watch the video till end to understand the techniques of making this Rakhi. So my paper strips are ready, and then you have to fold the paper strips like this, and then you have to cut all the strips in a square shape. So after folding it, just you have to cut each part like this. And my paper square are ready, and now you will cut the paper. So fold it like this and hold the folded portion and cut it like a petals. So my paper petal is ready, and make some cut marks on it. Petal is ready. You have to cut all the colors in the same way. After that we need some small paper square. Yes, small square shape paper. So at first I am cutting the paper strip and then turn into the squares. We have to paste all the shapes. At first purple, then green, and then yellow. Just watch carefully. Each petals are smaller than the other. So you have to cut like this. Paste the small square shape of purple color in the middle. So in this way you have to assemble all the petals. So my petals are ready. Decorate the petals using the kundan. Place the kundan in the middle for decorating. For pasting the kundan, you just take little bit of gum in a pencil tip, and then you can easily paste it. Now I cut the foam sheet in a square shape, and I will paste the petals. Each one opposite the others. First one, the first corner, and second one in the opposite corner of the first one. Then second one, and also third one, and fourth one also opposite in the third one. This way you have to paste 4 petals at first, then other 4 petals will be placed in the middle of the other petals like this. So between the 2 petals you have to place another to make the circle shape flower. Okay, my circle shape flower is ready. So then cut some toothpicks in small pieces and paste it. Paste the toothpicks. I am using the gum in this way. Just apply the gum, then you will paste the toothpicks. I have prepared so many colorful Rakhis. So watch this. These are my Rakhis that I have prepared using the different types of colors. Now I am going to prepare the threads. So apply the gum on the tip of the thread to be sharp, and then take the beads. So you can use any types of colorful beads as your choice. Paste the thread in the back side of the Rakhi. So pasting the thread, I am using a rectangular shape foam sheet. So at first I will apply the gum on it, paste the thread, and then I will paste the foam sheet on it. Okay, now my paper Rakhi is ready. So using this technique you can make different types of colorful Rakhi. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something from this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.